Yes. Here I am with some instruments, okay, to make you explain about the new concept, that is registers in different combinations. So before that, let me show you what I am having right now with me. Here you can see one battery. It's a 9-volt battery. I think you are quite acquainted with this battery. You can see here it is the negative terminal is there, negative sign is there, and here also it is the positive terminal is there. Now the two wires are connected at two terminal. Here one point is there. Can you notice this one, children? It is having some color code. Some colors are there. Actually, children, this is a register which in details you will read in class 12. It is a fixed register. You can see its one end is connected to the wire and another end is open. So why this is connected in this 9-volt battery? In order to register, to check the flow of current. Now let us move to the things I am having. Children, you can notice what are these things are there. Children, can you see? White color, so beautiful. You can see, notice children, this one. These are called as LED, light emitting diode, whose full information you will read in higher classes. But I brought it here to do the simple experiment. Okay. So here you can see in this register, one small terminal is there. One small leg is there. Another one is big one. Children, remember, the bigger one is the positive terminal and the smaller one is the negative terminal. Okay, so here I am having different type of register. So let us see this battery is working or not. Let's see that one. So as we know, positive to positive connection, negative to negative connection. So here let me check that one. I have done the connection properly or not. So this LED will not get fused because the register is there. So let us see, I have done the connection or not. The LED is glowing or not. Let us check, children. No, it is not glowing. Let me interchange. That means I have done the connection wrong. Again it is not glowing. That means this LED is fused. Let me take an example of another LED. So here another LED I am having. Let us check whether it is glowing or not. It is not glowing. Let us see through this connection whether it is glowing or not. Let me hold it properly. Yes, can you notice? That means it is properly connected. If I interchange positive negative, if I interchange, you see it is the not glowing. Okay, so this is all about the information about the connection. But right now I am here to show you an important point. That is that one. Just see, children, combination of registers in, then surprise. What are the two types of different types of connection? So for this, let's do an activity and please what you are observing you tell. Children, as I have told you, here you can see three LED bulbs are there. Fine. And as I have told you, in series connection, end to end connection, one LED bulb negative connection is connected to the other LED bulb positive connection. Okay, let us see whether it is glowing or not. So I have to check the connection. So let me connect it. So here I can observe this is the negative terminal. Here it is the positive terminal. So let me connect the negative with negative. I have connected how many LEDs, children? How many LEDs I am having? I am having 2. Okay. Let me connect it here. It is not glowing. Yes, it is glowing here. Can you see the brightness? Children, can you see the brightness of this one? Can you notice? Is it glowing more? Now let me add another one. Let's see what's the surprise. Let me add. You can do the connection also, children. It's a very simple activity. You can do this thing at home also. Let me connect this one. I have done this connection. Can you notice, children, how I am doing? Okay. Let me connect. Here I have added another one. This type of connection is called as registers in series connection. Let me connect. It is not connected properly. Let me take the help of these two only. It's very dull. So what type of connection is this one is called as? Children, you can notice end to end connection. R1, R2, R3. In this I have used the LED bulb. So these can be considered as registers in series connection in which brightness of the LED bulb is less. I hope I am able to clear this one. Now in the right hand side of the blackboard, another point is there. For this also I have another activity. You can see, children, here how many LED bulbs are there? How many LED bulbs? 3 LED bulbs. इसका भी connection I will do in this one. So in the first connection we have seen registers in series. Is it okay dear? Registers in series we have done. Now let us, this is the series connection. Now that one let me keep it another side. So now let me move to the another connection. You can see children, it's 3 I have make it crossed and connected, and here these 3. Which 3? Now 3 LED bulbs negative at one connection, 3 LED bulbs positive at one connection, just like this one. Negative, positive, this one, positive to positive at one side, negative to negative at one side. You can notice voltmeter positive, ammeter negative. So in this way I have done the connection. Can you notice? Let us see what happens. So here I have to notice negative hai to negative terminal, positive hai to positive terminal I have to do. So let me connect that one. So from this we have to understand which one is negative, positive. Let us check whether the bulb is glowing or not. That means somewhere I have done wrong. Just see, it is not glowing. So let me do the connection properly. Can you notice children? How nicely it is glowing. Can you notice? What do you observe? Is it not showing more brightness in comparison to the earlier one? See, the same 9-volt battery is there, but 3 I have connected here. The middle one you can mark, it is not glowing. Can you notice this? But how much is the brightness? Hence, this type of connection is called as resistors in parallel connection. I hope I am able to give you the clear information about resistors in series and parallel by this method. Thank you.